Welcome back to the channel, everyone. A new video coming at you from Southsideboystyle. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you a nice and cheap, easy way to remove old trim lines. You know, that's the kind, that's the sticky ones. They put it on, they stick the lines on. I guess it's done from the manufacturer. I don't know, maybe somebody added them, but I'm going to show you how to remove those safely without hurting your paint, hurting your vehicle. Stay tuned. So if you check out my car, you'll see that there's a lot of damage. Like, I'm saying damage, it's not damage, but you can see that the lines are coming off in a lot of areas, and it looks really bad. And I need to get rid of it. And it's doing this all over the car. You can see right here, it's doing it. So if you look right down through the line, it looks terrible. It makes the car look crappy, okay? Come on. And it's doing it all around the car. Just showing you around there. Everywhere you look, you see that it's coming off. Oh no, we left the door open. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove this without damaging your clear coat. You don't want to damage your clear coat, guys. Let's not do that. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use this little rubber pad that has an attachment that goes on a drill. And I ordered this on Amazon, and what it's for is exactly what I just showed you. It's for very gently taking sticky lines, you know, like trim lines on your vehicle. The style of trim line is the adhesive style of trim line. So I usually use this. I've actually worn two of these out over the years. I just recently ordered this one. I'm gonna put this up here in a picture for you so you can take a look at it and see what I paid for it. It's only cheap, and it works really good. So let's put this on the drill. So here it is. Again, you can look at it. And it has a threaded attachment that this piece will screw into, like that. And then you just take it, because it fits inside the shuck of your drill. Put it in the drill and tighten it up, guys. And guys, look at that. I'm not hurting the paint, not hurting anything. I'm going to set you guys up so you can see me maybe a little bit better as I work down the line on it. And I'll continue on down the line. You don't have to press really hard. Just give it a little pressure. And as you can see, it's coming off real nice. Don't stay in one spot too long, because you could possibly go through the clear coat. But as long as you're not pressing hard, you should be fine. So I'll get the rag. Just going to give this a little wipe over and show you guys. Now obviously I'm going to have to wash this off after, but you can see, look, it washes off perfect. There's no damage to the car. And I guess I'll do a little time lapse here now for you guys, and I'll go down this line and maybe put some music on, and you can watch that just be fixed. wiper down. All the lines are coming off. I just want to add, some areas are a little bit more, the lines are more, I guess, in there, so you got to work a little bit more. But rest assured, it'll come off. Give it time. And a little patience, of course. And you'll get it. So guys, I'm going to finish this side and then I'll show you what it looks like after. So guys, that's it. That's how you take the lines off your car using one of those eraser wheels. And I'll give you all the information. I'll even put the link down in so you can purchase it on Amazon. But it came out good. She's looking pretty spiffy. All the lines are off. I didn't wash it yet. I just wiped it down a bit, that's all. It needs a good wash, but that eraser wheel works really well. And it's all off. Looks 10 times better than what it did. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, if it helps you out, leave me a like. If you just like watching the video, you can subscribe, watch all the rest of them. I got a lot of videos. There's like over 450 videos that you can look at. And I'll see you on the next one.